As the physician and neurologist of Josephson Wallach Munshauer Neurology, Dr. Patrick Matoole celebrates his accomplishments in medicine in order to achieve positive outcomes for his patients. Neurological ailments affecting parts of the central and peripheral nervous system, such as the brain, spinal cord, cranial nerves, and neuromuscular junction, can be remarkably difficult to treat and often have significant lifestyle implications. Ranging from migraines to Alzheimer's disease, neurological conditions affect almost 1 billion people globally, according to the World Health Organization. These ailments typically develop slowly, perhaps starting with a mild, intermittent twitch or a numbness in an extremity that progresses over time. Dr. Patrick Matoole, an adult neurologist with Josephson Wallach Munshauer Neurology, is well versed in the latest neurological research and trained to provide comprehensive neurologic expertise and compassionate care in the form of treatments and rehabilitation for symptomatic relief. Fascinated by the complexity of the human body and inspired by his parents' work in the medical field, Dr. Matoole earned his medical degree from the University of Nebraska Medical Center, where his father, Dr. Jack Matoole, revered as one of the institution's greatest teachers, taught for nearly 50 years. He then went on to complete a residency in neurology at Creighton University and a fellowship in electroencephalography and electromyography, studying the electrical activity of the brain and nervous system at Indiana University in 2001. That same year, he joined the ranks of highly specialized physicians at JWM, one of Indiana's largest neurological physician groups and one that has built a stellar reputation over the past 60 years for treating patients with Alzheimer's disease, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, and sleeping disorders. As the principal investigator and a sub-investigator of JWM's active research arm, Dr. Matoole is in charge of research and clinical trials and also assists in several studies. He is especially invested in the treatment of epilepsy and neuromuscular disorders and is currently developing new medications to help epileptic patients control seizures and treat those with debilitating disorders by repairing and decreasing the risk of damage to the nervous system. However, it's not these innovations, but the patients who give him the motivation to excel and push the boundaries of exceptional treatment and groundbreaking research. Throughout the course of his career, Dr. Matoole has been involved in a number of important studies as a sub-investigator and primary investigator. In looking back over a career that has been filled with achievement, he attributes his success to hard work and dedication. He became involved in his profession after being inspired by his father and developing an interest in neurology at an early age. Josephson Wallach Munshauer Neurology offers patients a wide range of specialties in both pediatric and adult neurological care. They care for patients with all types of neurological conditions. Because it's a group practice, JWM Neurology is able to offer 24-hour continuous coverage while also scheduling appointments at one of their 7 locations in and around the Indianapolis, Indiana area. Additionally, each doctor in the practice collaborates with other doctors in the JWM practice to maximize comprehensive expertise. Part of the benefit of the network system is that every patient's physician will have access to that patient's medical records, even if the patient's regular doctor is unavailable. Each Dr. JWM Neurology devotes time to medical education and study to continuously expand their expertise. Dr. Matoole completed a fellowship in clinical neurophysiology from Indiana University in 2001, a residency in neurology from Creighton University in 2000, and an internship in internal medicine from the Medical College of Wisconsin Affiliated Hospitals in 1997. He earned an MD from the University of Nebraska in 1996 and a Bachelor of Arts in Chemistry from the University of Denver in 1991. In addition to his degrees, he earned his medical license in the state of Indiana and is also certified by the American Board of Psychiatry and Neurology. Dr. Matoole maintains affiliation with a number of healthcare organizations, including Community Hospital East, Community Hospital North, Community Hospital South, St. Vincent Hospital Indianapolis, St. Vincent Heart Hospital, and St. Vincent Hospital Carmel. In addition, he is affiliated with Johnson County Memorial Hospital, St. Francis Hospital Mooresville, Community Heart and Vascular Center, St. Francis Hospital Indianapolis, the Indianapolis Medical Society, and the Indiana State Medical Association. In years to come, Dr. Matoole hopes to expand his current practice. For more information about Josephson Wallach Munshauer Neurology, please visit www.jwmneuro.com.